So nandito tayo ngayon sa Okada, no? Nandito si Kuya Miko at nag-vlog siya. So today is Sunday, so today's family day. So ewan namin kung bakit kami napunta dito. Siguro sabi ni Kuya Miko meron tayong birthday celebrant. Sino ang birthday celebrant?
Happy birthday!
So, palakad na kami papuntang venue.
Wow!
So ito, tumingin na kami sa menu para maka-order. Siguro mga estimated 20 minutes dumating na yung mga pagkain.
So oras na para kumain. Tara, mga Faimar! Sa next video, birthday greetings naman.
Happy birthday, Mamsi, Dodong, Tita Ne. We love you. Ito pa. So,
Happy birthday, Tita Nene. I love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy, buddy. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday, Nene.
Happy birthday, Ne. Daddy, Mami, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy, Daddy, and Corinne. May you have many more birthdays to come and enjoy your day. We love you and stay healthy. We love you.
Oh, happy birthday, Daddy, Mommy. Have a very nice birthday. And happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And birthday more.
happy birthday, Ne.
Happy birthday, Ne! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tito! Happy birthday, Tita Baby!
Happy birthday, Tito and Tita!
And
Corinne! And Corinne! Thank you sa treat! Mama!
Happy birthday, Tita, Tito, and Nene. God bless.
Happy birthday pa, Tita, Tito, and Tita Nene.
Happy birthday, Ambong and B. May you have many more to come. God bless you always. Stay healthy and strong.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Oh, yun na, blow. Blow na.
Blow na, baby!
So after kumain, pumunta muna kami dito sa may fountain dahil mayroon silang show. Yung tugtog dito sa fountain, hindi ko na sinama. Baka ma-copyright tayo. So hanggang dito na lang muna mga KMR. Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Bye!